Today we
The smell?
decided to visit
Smells
a
like
very beautiful
yeah,
green,
it's the flowers, but
lush
it's just like,
area in Tanzania.
I don't know what this area is, but it's nice. Oh, look at
Very
this
beautiful, a
view.
lot of greenery, mountains.
I feel like
And
I'm in the Garden of Eden.
if you watch my videos, you can guess what area this is in. So, yeah, beautiful area in Tanzania, outside of Dar es Salaam. And, yeah.
Oh, these are so pretty. This is breathtaking. This is the Garden of Eden. This is the Garden of Eden. And I'm going to put music over this anyway. Who wouldn't want to live in this environment, like, you know?